Today I am talking about these stocks, something special. These stocks trade at this moment $1,231. These stocks give us today return, which means 4% return. In the last 5 days, these stocks give approximately more than 10% positive return, which is very good. Last 1 month, these stocks give approximately 4% return. In the last 6 months, these stocks give to investor in 21% return, which is very good return. Hey, I am not telling you to buy or sell these stocks. I just break down the numbers so you can decide smarter. But in the last 1 year, how much return these stocks make? 93% positive return, which is very good. In the last 5 years, these stocks give 366% return, which is very far better return in the past performance. But if you see how much return these stocks give in the maximum return, here you can see 1 2, that means 12,194%. Okay, so what do you think about these stocks? Please comment below, and always do your own research before investing. Follow for more US stocks breakdown.